Kids, as you can see, I wanted to put this together and dedicate it to two of my dudes. Yesterday when Louie and I went out to Cayocho and we were eating, you know, I thought about my boy Stan. You know, I had a little Havana club, and I thought about my boy Noah, Mr. Johnson, because, you know, he's been on my tip about Cuban sandwiches. So, dude, I'm doing this for you, man. So I know you in Cali, I know you in the Bay. Look, I'm gonna put this together so you can see it, and then you can rock. You know, so I'm just gonna go the same sequence that we did yesterday, because I actually was burning before we ate. So that's a sorrel back fig. Hey Stan, that's for you, baby. And you know, I already put a little bit in the glass with the little circle ice cube up in there, just like we were in Cuba, homie. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. No, I hope you pay attention to this, man, on how to do this shit. Okay? Well, hold on. I see right now, I gotta get something for you. Hold on. Make sure I got enough of these Jones. Yeah. I'm ready for you. Let me just get a couple more of these babies up in here, because we're gonna do this and do this right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put, yeah. Let me get all that up in there. I'll give him one or two more. Because we about to put all this on this sandwich, dude. We about to make this right. We about to do this right. Right. Got it in here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the press. Got the George Foreman here in the back. Rinse these hands off again real quick. We're getting ready to get it in. Alright. So Noah, because you always been on my tip this whole week, dude, I'm gonna get this going for you. Dude, you have to use Cubano bread. You cannot use Italian bread. I'm letting you know right now, alright? So you're gonna slice that Jones all the way through. Bam. Like that. Now this sauce right here, a little special. Louie actually made this up. You're gonna sprinkle some of that on here. Now I'm gonna put it on both sides. Like that there. Like that there. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. And I'm going to do this one right here. Get that going. Yeah. I can't wait to eat this, man. That's what's up. Alrighty. Now, on the bottom portion, on the base, you're going to use some traditional mustard. So I'm going to go like here. Hook that up. Make sure you spread it all the way around. Get all the little nooks and crannies up in that Jones. And I'm going to put a little bit more in there. Trust me, it can never be too much. Get that going on in there. Yeah. Alright, we're going to start off first. Puerco. No, I'm sorry, I'm going to do the ham first. But you know what? I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use my fingers. So you're going to put that ham, you're going to bless it on top of that mustard like that there. The jamon. Ham for you, Stan. I'm gonna do it up. I'm gonna put all of this on there. Get all of that up there. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the roasted pork up on there, up on the Jones, like that there. I'm gonna load it up. Load it up. like that there. Now, you'll get the Swiss queso, cheese. Layer that Jones on like that. Now I'm gonna put those dills all up in there. You can never have too many of the dills. Alright, you can put that little baby one on there. And some tomato all up on there. Okay? What do I do with my, here I put my napkin. Okay. Now we're gonna get the whip. We're gonna put the whip on the other side. You cannot put too much. Again, trust when I say that. With the pinky up. That's right. Spread that out. Spread it out. Get all the corners and edges. You know, you gotta make sure you get the corners and edges. Some of y'all go out there with them edges looking kind of rough. Get the corners and edges going. We're gonna take this. We're gonna do the flip. Now, oh, we ready over here. We're ready over here. I got the green light, literally. You're gonna throw this butter up here like this here. Layer that bad boy like that. Put it all up in there. All up in there. Okay? Actually, I'm gonna do some more. So let me grab my other tray. We're about to get the other side in too. So now I'm about to grab this here. Watch it now. Stan, you watching? Because you need to learn this shit too. No, you see this? I'm about to go over here. What's going on with George? Flip it down, dude. Flip it down, press it. Okay? Get you some more butter. Yeah. Alright. Go and give a little press. Don't judge me. You got this big heavy ass iron like this here? Throw that bad boy on there. You want to weigh it down. Okay, so Noah, you saw how I did this, dog. Make sure you get the Cubano bread. Don't get no Italian bread. Don't get no sourdough. None of that bullshit. Get Cubano bread. Let me see how we doing. Grab my plate. Oh yeah. Nice and crispy on the outside. All juicy, all in the inside. Yo. Little Havana Club. Here's the U-stand. Got my stick. And here you go, Noah. Business right there. So, salute. Long answers, slow burns. Maybe I'll say ciao for now. See you guys on the